So Mr. CB, class 10th ICSE sequences, arithmetic progression revision. Okay. So question number 6, how should we do this?
Question number 6, we have sequences 3, 6, 9, 12 till 111. So our first term would be 3. Difference would be 3. Then L, which means the last term would be 111.
Okay. So what is the formula?
So the formula is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to L.
So putting all the numbers together, last term is 111. This is our A n minus 1 into D, and we solve this for n. So n would be 37. Mr. CB, any doubt?
No doubt.
Great, sir. So question number 13, write an AP having 4 as a first term and minus 3 as a common difference. So what would be the right answer?
I'm having 4 as first term. So A would be 4. And,
Okay.
Difference would be minus 3. So correct answer would be C.
Would be C. So 4, I subtract minus 3, I subtract minus 3, I subtract minus 3. Therefore, C would be the right answer. Mr. Zibang, any doubt? So find the 30th term of the sequence half 1 3 by 2. How should we do this, Mr. CP?
So A would be 1 upon 2.
Okay.
D would be 1.
By D would be 1.
Oh, sorry, D would be 1 upon 2.
Okay.
And N would be 30.
What formula?
So A plus N minus 1 into D.
Okay.
And so 1 upon 2 plus 29 into 1 upon 2. Answer will be 15.
Okay. Correct. Great. Question number 16. If pth term of an AP is this, find the AP. How should we do this?
So we just insert the value of 1 in the place of P.
Okay.
And the first term that we would get is cos 5. So it could either be B or D.
Okay.
And then if we enter 2, then the value would be 7.
Oh,
Second value would be 7. So B would be the correct answer.
great. Great. So the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3. Basically, what they are saying is that the general term is given by 2p plus 3. So rather than solving the question, you have just eliminated the options. So you have looked at the options. You have said that T1 is equal to 5. T2 would be equal to 4 plus 3, 7. So 5 and 7. Only B satisfies this. Am I correct, Mr. CB?
Yes, sir.
Great, sir. Very nice. Okay. So, Mr. CB, next part. The ratio of 11th term to the 18th term of an AP is 2 by 3. Then A is equal to, Mr. CB. How should we do this?
So first, the formula for the 11th term would be A plus 10D.
Yeah.
And the formula for the 18th term would be A plus 17D.
Okay.
So final formula would be A plus 10D upon A plus 17D is equal to 2 upon 3 because the ratio of that AP is 2 upon 3.
And then you will solve for
A.
Okay. So the answer would be
C, 4D.
4D. Correct. How should we do the second part?
In the second part, we do it the same way we did the first part. A plus 14D and A plus 20D.
So a plus 14d upon a plus 20d. Now we already know the value of a. So the value of a is 4d. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'll put it here. And the answer would be 18d upon 24d. What would be the final answer?
So it would be 3 upon 4. 3 is to 4.
6, 3, 6, 4. So 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I think there is some mistake here. It should be 3 by 4. Yeah. So the ratio of the first 5 terms to the sum of first 21 terms will be, how should we do this?
So the formula for sum is 1 n upon 2 upon into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay. So
the ratio would be n upon 2. That means 5 upon 2. 2 into 4a, 4d, sorry. This 5 minus 1.
okay.
So the final formula would be 5 upon.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir, this is correct.
So we want to find the ratio. See, it will be better that you focus first to find the sum, and then once you have the the numbers in place, only then you start putting the value of a and d. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now the value of a is equal to,
So this would be 2 into like 4d. So no, 2 into a would be 2 into 4d. This would be 8d.
no, what is the value of a here? What was the value of a?
A is equal to 4d.
A was equal to 4d.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we'll have this to be 8d. Am I correct?
Yes, so that's
And twice of a would be 4d. Am I correct?
correct.
So this would be 20d. So 5 upon 21, this would be 12d upon 28d, and 4 3 the 4 7 the 3 7 the, so the answer would be 5 upon 49. So A is the correct answer.
A
Am I
is the
correct?
correct answer, yes.
Great. How should we do this S21?
So S21 would be 21 upon 2 into 2 into 40 plus n minus 1 into d.
So 2A would be equal to,
2a would be equal to 8d.
but here we require the value of A and D.
No, so we won't require the value. So the answer would be D.
Yeah, the answer would be D. Correct. This would be the right answer.
Yes.
Any doubt, Mr. Siva?
No doubt, sir.
So the formulas that we have used in this lecture are, one was Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then we used, then this can also be the last term. So T fifth term. So for example, T fifth term would be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This would be A plus 4D. Yeah. And Sn is equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into d. This is for sum of n terms. Great.